Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, you can click on the subscribe button. You can like, share. Make sure you actually subscribe to this channel, and also do it to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section, because on the Telegram we'll be sharing one or two useful information with you guys there. You can also contact us there, and we'll be looking at some potential trade movements. We'll be sharing everything on the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So go to the comment section, find the link to our Telegram channel, and follow us there. Now let's take a look at GBP CAD for this week. Now, if you take a look at this movement, right, you can see that this GBP CAD has literally been going bullish. I think this movement started, September, right? This movement started around September, September, October. Currently, we are at the month of November, and this GBP card will continue to go bullish. So our target on GBP card is that we'll be targeting a level of 1.73. That is our target for GBP card. So basically, GBP card still has some potential movement. So we still have at least, if I'm not wrong, so we still have at least 150 pips movement to be made, right? We still have at least 150 pips movement to be made on GBP card. So GBP card, we are still expecting more bullish moves, still more buys. So we'll be heading straight to level of 1.73. Currently, GBP card is trading at 1.71. So let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So literally, let's start from here. This is the higher highs here, the seas and higher lows. This here happens to be a new higher high. So you can see that this new higher high took out the previous highs, right? This is an higher lows. Currently, market is trying to play a new higher high. So let's watch out and see on Monday. Probably from Tuesday, it will be clear for us if markets will actually give us a new higher highs, thereby taking out the previous highs. So above all, our bias on GBP card is still to the upside. If there's going to be any changes, right, because there can be any change, there can be changes in our direction or movement, I'm going to give you guys an update. So that is why I want you to follow us on Telegram, so you get the update. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.